Hey guys, and on today's video, we're going to be updating your Mac to the latest macOS. So let's get started. Go right into your desktop. It doesn't really matter. On the top left-hand side of your screen, you're going to see the Apple logo. Apple logo. Second option will say System Settings. Go right in there. Once that opens up, you're going to see this. So your second option should say Software Update. However, if you don't, up here in the search, just type in Update. From here, first option, Software Update. And then this should be popping up. Now, let's say nothing pops up for you. Just turn on and off automatic updates. That should refresh things for you, and you're good to go. So right now, here's the latest update. We can click on more information. It's going to tell us just a little bit more about this particular update. And then we can just tap on Update now. At this point in time, once you click on Agree, put in your passcode if you have one. Then it's going to download, and then it's going to go ahead and install. So your Mac will restart. Make sure you're not working on anything on your Mac. I would highly suggest making a Time Machine backup as well. I do have a separate video about that, which it's good to use an external hard drive for that, by the way. And we always make those backups just in case. Now, also make sure that you have enough space on your Mac, because sometimes when you only have, let's say, 1 or 3 gigs, it may even let you do the update. But once it tries to install the update, your Mac might get stuck. So I do have a video on how to fix that issue if you ever run into that. However, just make sure you have enough space. I would always suggest having 50 gigs of free space on your Mac at all times for your Mac to work properly. Anyways, right now, all we have to do is just wait, and then later on, we're going to see Apple logo loading bar. It's going to restart, and we're going to be done with the update. As mentioned, your Mac would have restarted. You should have seen an Apple logo loading bar, and then you would have been done. Everything should have just loaded back up. Now, just to double check, we're just going to go into updates again, software update, and we should see that it's all up to date. And here we go. This is the latest update from Mac. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.